Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. FTMO are one of the most well-known prop firms available for trading a funded account. But what if you feel that you're not sure that your strategy is ready for the funded account challenge? Well, FTMO offer a free trial, which is a great way to get a taste of what it's like to carry out the account challenge without having to provide the funds up front. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can set up a free trial with FTMO. If you want to follow along with me, I'll include a link below in the description where you can sign up with FTMO and follow the steps with me as I go in this video. Let's get to it. Okay, so I've just created an account here with FTMO and I've logged into my client dashboard, and on the home page here I've got two options. As you can see, I can either click to try my free trial, which I will do in just a moment, or I can choose the option to start a paid challenge. Now, just before I complete the process to sign up for my free trial, let's just explore the options here on the side. Profile is pretty self-explanatory, and downloads, when I go onto downloads, there's actually a ebook here with some more information on account funding, as well as the download links for the different MT4, MT5 and C-Trader platforms. Now, something that might be useful for certain people is that there is a tab called Trading Academy, and it looks like there's quite a few useful videos in here. So you can always create a free account with FTMO just to get access to these educational videos. And scrolling down here on the left hand side underneath apps, there's also a link to the economic calendar. Now, I do believe that FTMO can restrict you on certain news releases that come out with trading, so this is quite a good tool to be able to see what news is coming out and what impact that might have on your trading. But before I explore anything else, let's go ahead and finish setting up the free trial. So I've completed the sign up process. What it's basically saying here is only once you open your first trade is when your 14-day free trial begins. So that's really good, because I don't actually want the free trial to begin today, Friday. I want this to start next Monday so that I have 2 full weeks of trying out the free trial with FTMO. So I'm going to download the software, get logged in and make sure everything works, but I'm not actually going to test out any trades today. I'm going to wait so that I can activate my trial from next Monday. So just below the information here, we've got the login details for the platform as well as the download link. So let's get that downloading. So I'm going to log in here using the information from my client dashboard once I signed up for the free trial.
Incoming mail.
So as you can see, I've just got logged in with my free FTMO trial here, which obviously uses a demo account, and the balance for the trial is £35,000. Now I'm going to just briefly get this set up to reflect what I like to use for an MT4 setup, so that everything is ready for when I come back onto this to start my first trade. Right, and just loading up here a new chart, and as you can see, there's quite a lot of different markets available with the free trial with FTMO. So obviously we've got loads of different Forex pairs and exotic pairs as well. Cash CFDs, futures, and there's also some cryptocurrencies and metals as well as equities. So now I have my platform set up ready. Let's just explore some of the other features that came with the free trial. So now that I've actually opened up and activated my free trial, I can access this tab underneath apps, which is called account metrics. And this is what I think will be really useful with this free trial, because this is what will give a taste of what it's like doing the challenge with FTMO. So once I've taken a trade, and I will share this maybe in more detail when I've done that, you'll be able to see metrics regarding my trade performance. I imagine that once I've taken that first trade, the start date here will update, and therefore I will also get my end date in the 14 days time. And it just provides some information such as my starting balance here, and most importantly the objectives for the free trial. So the minimum amount of trading days are 5 days, which obviously I've not hit yet because I've not started. My max daily loss is displayed here, as well as my max loss and also my profit target. So as this is a £35,000 account, my max loss is actually 10% of that, 3,500, and my profit target for this is 5%, and I presume that's because it's a 14-day free trial, because ordinarily with the account challenges with FTMO you have 30 days to reach a target of 10%. So I think they've halved the target because you've got half the time to complete the trial in. And it just gives a really good taste, because theoretically if when I finish my free trial I've managed to pass all of these objectives, it's a good indication that I'm ready to have a go at the challenge with FTMO. And scrolling down some more, there's also some useful trade statistics here available to look at, such as the average risk reward ratio, the win rate accuracy for trades, number of trades taken, and so on. So I hope this video has been useful for you to give you an idea of how you can try to take your trading to the next level, even if you're not quite ready, if you don't feel ready, if you don't have the funds ready. A free trial can be a really good way to bridge that gap. Now, because it's free, you can repeat it as well, so you can keep repeating the free trial if you enjoy it, to really get the experience and practice trading with these trading objectives in mind. But it's important to know that the results from the free trial do not have any effect whatsoever on the challenge. So even if you do really well with the trial, you have to do the challenge as a separate entity and just repeat the process. As I said earlier in the video, I do have a link below if you want to set one of these up for yourselves. If you've enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already part of the channel. And I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks guys. Bye.